I have participated in Associate's Unity Artist Bootcamp. Through the course, I've realized that combining Unity with experiences and immersive experiences is something that is possible. It was a revelation, and the fact that the course asked you what kind of briefs you're interested, what projects you're interested, I kind of landed on a perfect project. This is exactly what I wanted. I just didn't realize you can have something like this on a course with a quite high-profile client. So I feel quite confident about taking this further because I kind of know what I'm doing now. I just feel really supported in every way. You feel supported through your challenges, you feel supported through the projects, and there's always advice given to you. Like people, like the course coordinator really cares to make sure that you do your best. So if you want to work hard, you're gonna use it. As long as you take it all, then you can take a lot out of the course. It's hard to say, why wouldn't I recommend it? It's a free course and it's amazing. It's so much better than the paid courses. You don't realize how much you learn in this period of time until you see something. You're like, oh, actually, yeah, 3 months ago, I wouldn't have understood what that was. This was amazing. This was more than I could actually, ask for.